Dumpster rentals in Georgia. For efficient, reliable dumpster rentals in Georgia, Waste Worx is the trusted choice. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, major cleanout, or construction project, Waste Worx has a range of dumpster sizes to fit your needs and streamline waste disposal. We offer user-friendly rental options, flexible rental periods, and prompt delivery and pickup, making the process as smooth as possible. Our team is dedicated to providing affordable, hassle-free service throughout Georgia, prioritizing customer satisfaction and waste disposal efficiency. With Waste Worx, you can count on timely service, whether you're renting a 10-yard dumpster for a small residential project or a 30-yard container for large-scale commercial work. Our experienced staff will guide you in selecting the right dumpster size for your project, ensuring you only pay for the space you need. In addition to convenience, Waste Worx emphasizes environmental responsibility, disposing of waste properly and in compliance with all regulations. We're committed to keeping Georgia communities clean, safe, and eco-friendly. Ready to simplify your waste management? Contact Waste Worx today at 423-551-0677 for dependable dumpster rentals in Georgia. Our friendly team is here to help you manage your project with ease and efficiency, from start to finish.